Yo, what's up? It's Wavy. Today I'm about to do a quick video on how to get your songs on Spotify. Now, some people want to figure out how do they get their music on Spotify or any streaming platforms. You could use this app right here called DistroKid. Now, I'll put a link in the description so you could get a discount today. You probably get like a 20% off discount. Now, this is how to get your music to Spotify. It's very simple. You sign up through DistroKid, distrokid.com. Link going to be in the description. And you're going to have a homepage where it says My Music. Now, you might not have uploaded any tracks yet, obviously, because you haven't signed up for DistroKid yet. And if you're not having your music in all platforms and you're planning to do artistry, I feel like the best platform for this is DistroKid right now. So make sure that you use the link in the description. Once you sign up, you can click upload. It's very simple. Click upload music. See, you'll see all of the services that it lists to: Spotify, TikTok, Deezer, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Tidal, Boomplay. It goes on and on. There's a list: iTunes, Amazon. You scroll down, click one single. You know what I'm saying? Depending on if you're doing a single or album. Has this single been previous release? No. Artist, you click your artist name. You know what I'm saying? So then once all of your accounts are connected to the platform, it'll upload it right to the platform automatically. And if you don't already have an account, it'll create a new one under your name. So it's going to be an easy process. Release date. You can set your release date to release now or in the future. If you don't want it to release in the future, you could just leave it blank and it'll release automatically. You put record label, language, primary genre. You know what I'm saying? It could be hip hop, trap, pop, jazz, K-pop. It don't matter what genre it is. Then you put a cover art. The cover art has to be 3,000 by 3,000 pixels. So you can use like Canva or one of those apps to make sure it's 3,000 by 3,000. You title it. You put the name of the song. You upload the audio right here. MP3, Wave, MP4, you know what I'm saying? Then you put your name. You got to put your legal name that goes onto your BMI or whatever you register your music under. Then explicit lyrics, yes or no. Is this a radio edit, instrumental, etc. Now you could put the track price of how much you want to price your song for. You could put 99 cents, $1.29. And then after you do that, you upload. You click this upload button right here that says upload, and once it looks good, it uploads and it puts it to all streaming platforms. I have a lot of songs on here that I've uploaded already, so it's on the Spotify platform, it's on Apple Music platforms. Make sure y'all click the link in the description for your $10 off. You get $10 off if you use Wavy's link in the description to sign up. So if you want your song on Apple, Spotify, any playlist, make sure you click the link in the description.